Evening, good afternoon, right?
So,
Hope I'm not wasting your time. I will try to give you some knowledge about, you guys have already been, in a mindset where you want to do a business, correct? That's why you're learning a skill, correct? So many people would have thought about something else when they were small, and now you are here. So you didn't choose this, right? When you were small, you wanted to become something else. Now you have come here, correct? Makes sense right now. So basically, I will just give you an introduction of myself. I'm Anish. So I'm a digital marketer, correct? So I run an institute in Bangalore, near North Bangalore, right? Near IBM, Manyata Tech Park. Everybody knows Manyata Tech Park, right? It's an IT park, right? Okay. So what I want to give is all about digital marketing, correct? And how do you improve your business, correct? Like many of you have come here. How have you guys known this place? Through what? Through
through
social
social
media.
media.
Okay. What else? Give me some answers. Let it be an interactive session. Through colleagues.
Okay.
Okay. And
How you know the center?
Google.
Search ಮಾಡಿದೆ
Google.
Google search.
Okay. What else?
YouTube.
YouTube. Right.
Super. Facebook.
Facebook.
Instagram.
So you're just giving me all the social media apps, right? So do you really think Prakash sir has done social media marketing, or has he used his genius strategy?
I'm doing.
Is he doing social media marketing?
नहीं आपने कभी मेरा कोई स्पॉन्सर ऐड देखा है कोई नहीं देखा
That is
मेरा
called as
ऑर्गेनिक
social media marketing. Correct? Right. So guys, let me tell you, every business needs marketing. Correct? Every business needs a marketing. Let's say you in future you set up your shop anywhere in Koramangala or in Indiranagar, right? You will sit inside and wait for the customers. Do you sit inside and wait for the customers? What do you do then? Anybody wants to volunteer? Right. Let's say, how do you do marketing? Okay, social media. Okay, through newspapers, flex banners.
इट्स गुड
Come on.
देन पैम्पलेट
Pamphlets,
माटेगा
right.
नेक्स्ट विजिटिंग कार्ड देंगे ओके गुड
There are two types of marketing. One is offline marketing and one is digital marketing, online marketing, right? So offline marketing mein I'm just giving you an example so that in future whenever you think about opening your business, this will help you, correct? So let's say anybody wants to volunteer. Just I'll be asking few questions, just answer me. Who wants to volunteer?
मैं
Right. Let's say Prakash sir is not famous now. Okay, he doesn't have any branch. He's starting new. Let's go back to 2001,
ओके
2001 to anywhere there. So how did you start it, sir?
Chumma I started
Right.
on his shop.
Correct. And was he sitting inside? Were you sitting inside and waiting for your customers? Or you started, at that time there was not much of social media. There
No
was
social media, nothing.
on digital marketing wasn't there. What was he exactly doing there? You were sitting inside or, trying to tell your friends, family, asking them to get some customers, correct? Word of mouth. Used to call. Let's say he printed pamphlets, he printed banners, correct? How much would have it costed?
Too much cost. Like
Let's
very
say one
costly.
flex in Indiranagar or Koramangala, how much do you think they charge? They start from 80,000 to
For 1
4
month.
lakh.
Till
To
4
4 to 5 lakh. From 80,000 to 4 to 5 lakh just for a flex, or you call
और
that as
उसकी
a
भी वैलिडिटी
billboard.
है 1 month.
Correct.
Not for you can't put lifetime.
So they take around 4 to 5 lakhs. You're getting it? Right? So let's say pamphlets, how much he would have printed just to put it in newspapers. Let's say 10,000 pamphlets. And it would have costed him 20,000 at least. Right? But with his genius marketing, he has started playing around with influencers, showcasing his service. Correct? Have you seen whenever you go to YouTube and what do you get first whenever you click on a video? What do you get first?
Ad.
Do you even look at the ad?
No,
You go to the skip button. Why?
not interested.
You're not interested. Do you know they're trying to sell it to you? And why do you think that ad is coming to you?
Superb.
Exactly the same thing. Correct? Only when you have looked for something or when you are interested, that ad will come to you. right? In offline marketing, let's say Prakash sir stands on the signal and starts giving pamphlets to everybody who comes in.
Nobody interested now.
Will they come back to him?
No.
Let's say you're only walking around. You'll just take that, throw in the dustbin, correct? His 20,000 is wasted. Does he have any data?
No.
Like, okay, I've given so many people, I've collected their numbers. Will they come back to me? Do you have any idea?
No.
Nothing. But with digital marketing, you have every data. Correct? Only when you search for it, you get the ads. Let's say you have searched on Google. Let's say you're going for Google and searching for shoes. You only get shoe ads for the next 1 week. Correct? That is because you are targeted like that. You're getting it? So what I'm trying to tell you is starting a business is easy. But without social media marketing, without your own strategies or your own USPs, you cannot go forward. Otherwise, a lot of people are here who are, mobile repairs. A lot of people are here, but why do people come to him? Because he's marketed himself that way. Correct? Don't you think he's a good marketing strategist? See, there is nothing that I don't have to show my face. I'm worried who will look at me and come back. No. You have to market yourself. A business stands on your portfolio, the way you showcase your business. Have you seen influencers? I will show you some pictures. Just let me know if you know them. Does everybody know him?
Yes.
Who is he? Kabir. What does he do?
Nothing. Just copy the other ads in a simple way.
He just does this.
Yes.
He earns millions now. How is that an opportunity for him? Is he doing anything? Is he singing? Is he dancing? Is he acting for you? Nothing. He just takes a normal video, he takes it and does this. It can be done simply. Do you think there is any idea here? Has he thought about it? Anything? No. Initially, when he started, he started getting trolls. But now,
Everyone is following him.
he is going to the red carpet now.
Yes.
You're getting it? Right? So, marketing yourself is more important. How? Right now, Prakash Cellular is known as a brand.
Yes.
Because of whom? Now, let's say he's not there. I put my face on Prakash Cellular. People will come. Because his face is there, and you should be actually a little proud because of him, because he is, wherever you look, his face is there. That's personal branding. Correct? Why do you think it is there? Maybe if at all I was a partner with him, just imagine I was his partner, and next future may I ditch him and take the business and go somewhere. Will I run it successfully? Why? Everywhere he is there. So nobody can scratch his business from him. Nobody can steal the business from him. Correct? And he is, a lot of influencers have come, a lot of people he's met. Why do you think he's doing all of these things? He's doing it with passion. You really think I would have had, or you would have had so much of time going to people, talking to them, please come and help our students get an idea? Do you really think everybody does that? Nobody does it. Why is he doing it? So that you get more than adding. See, any business you do, more than service, what is that additional thing you're giving? Add-on services. McDonald's gives you burger, correct? KFC gives you burger, correct? You go to petrol pumps, they give you petrol everywhere. Why is Shell priced in a higher way? Do you know Shell? Everybody knows Shell, correct? It's at a premium stage. Why do you think they're premium? Everybody needs petrol. All the other petrol pumps have the same cost per liter. And why do you think Shell has a little premium? Brand name, quality, service. What do they do when you go to Shell?
Vanakkam, namaskar, kade
They
rahiye,
go there.
thank you.
They come to you.
How that quality, like,
You go to Indian Oil, they say, mister.
hai munde hoga.
That's it. But there you go, they don't even talk to you. They say this, they turn the board, correct? It is petrol or diesel. They block you. They come to you and say, should I clean the windshield? They do it.
Free of cost.
And they check your engine oil. Why do they do that? Add-ons. You feel a little premium. That's how you make sure you're a little higher than the standard.
पूर्विका में देखो जाते ही वो नमस्कार वनक्कम नमस्ते अभी वो साला मोदी वाला फीलिंग आता है व्हेन आई एंटर पूर्विका.
Correct? So that is called personal branding. So guys, whenever you're doing it, please make sure that you showcase whatever services you're doing. I, whenever you go to a hotel or a restaurant, you only see ads through. How do they do ads? Do they see, just put graphic design, graphic design, graphic design? It doesn't work like that. You have to show what you're doing, how you make a burger. That's the service. The same way, whenever you're starting a business, you sitting inside and waiting for customers, they don't come to you. You have to step out of the shop and start doing some marketing. Let it be offline marketing or digital marketing. But digital marketing mein kya hota hai? Let's say everybody has social media, Instagram and Facebook. What do you guys do there? Reels, scroll. What next? In your personal account, what do you do? What do you post? Why do you post that?
दुनिया को दिखाना आई एम लिविंग सच ए ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ. चिराग नहीं जरा ठुका हुआ लाइफ है बट स्टिल विल शो.
Why you're doing that? To showcase people that I'm here. I'm in Goa, I'm in the beach, correct? I'm wearing this clothes, I'm in this pub. Why are you doing this? You're marketing yourself there. Understand, you are marketing already. The same way, when you come to digital marketing, you're marketing your product or service, correct? Any business you go, marketing is more important. Getting it? Without marketing, what is the main goal of a business? Sales. How does sales happen? With marketing. Getting it? The same way, this is called as personal branding. This is one of the personal branding, correct? Let's say a lot of influencers come here, no? You really think they're all talented? You really think they're talented? But they know how to attract people. That is a talent, correct? And this is called something as a creative marketing. I'm sorry if it's blur. Do you know there are two competitors here? What do? Cadbury Silk. How far will you go for your love? And the same billboard, look at them. 5-star. Do nothing. This is creative marketing. Correct?
यानी आप कितने भी टैलेंटेड रहने दो, आपकी मार्केटिंग जरूरी है, दुनिया को बताना जरूरी है आई एम ए टैलेंटेड पर्सन.
करेक्ट.
इन्होंने ही पूछा था मैं मंगलूर के अंदर किया तो बिजनेस के क्या क्या आइडिया हैं, ये मैं सिर्फ आपके लिए ही बुलाया. और इन्होंने पूछा था सर आप इनको क्यों बुलाते हैं, मैंने बोला ना समझ में आ गया, जिनका संबंध अच्छा है उनका धन अच्छा है.
राइट. कैन यू सी दिस?
आपका रिलेशन अच्छा होना चाहिए.
There are two companies, correct? Everybody knows Tinder app. You use it for dating, correct? Blinkit. There also they have dates. Here also they have dates, but a different context, correct? So this is the creative marketing. And this, let's say when Pepsi, it was a long back story. When Pepsi, put this thing behind them and they wanted to be like, we wish you a scary Halloween. What does that mean? Abroad, western side mein, they have a festival called Halloween, where it's like scary festival. They start wearing costumes. So Pepsi is mocking Coca-Cola, saying that you're scary. When we wear your costume, we are scary. So we are scaring you and telling you happy Halloween. But the same way, they took it as a competitive marketing, and they did the same thing. Everybody wants to be a hero. Everybody wants to wear Superman ka costume. The same way they started doing it. It was a click. You getting it? Everybody knows Red Bull. A lot of people know it, correct? They had a marketing strategy in UK, Canada. I'm just giving you these examples because I don't want to give you a lecture and make it a boring class. This makes you understand how they're marketing. And from today, whenever you're walking around, look at all the billboards. Why are they like this? Why they have chosen that color? Everybody likes Tata Groups, Reliance. Which company do you like more, Tata or Reliance? Why? Trust. Sure. Why? Because of whom are you trusting?
Ratan Tata.
Why you don't trust Ambani?
Because of Radhika.
Right. See, he's been donating a lot of money. Correct? But these guys are...
वो शादी में हमारा से रिचार्ज कराया वो 60 रुपीज.
He's increased the budget for Jio. Actually, he's increased. You're getting it? So, if you have whenever we talk about a product, I have something about the product in my mind. And whenever I think about Tata, I think about trust. Correct? So, that is what, personal branding comes there. Because of Mr. Ratan Tata, you guys like the company. You're getting it? So, that's what happens. In London, Red Bull, they wanted to do a marketing strategy. They didn't have an idea. So, they came up with an idea where in all the pubs, wherever they're walking, they crashed the empty cans and put it in all the dustbins. And what does that tell you?
लोग ज्यादा ये पीता है, अभी पीता है या नहीं पीता वो सेकेंडरी है, बट अभी डब्बा ओ ये पीते हैं क्या, ठीक है मेरे को पीते, अब अच्छा है या
That
नहीं
is
होगा.
how they marketed.
दिस इज कॉल्ड गोरिल्ला मार्केटिंग.
Correct. Everywhere you go, I'm looking at it. Everywhere I go, I'm looking at Red Bull cans. What does that give me? Thinking out, acha, is it so good? Everybody is liking it. And understand, they don't market their cans on Instagram and social media. They don't market their tins. Go to Instagram, look for Red Bull. They only market through emotions, doing adventures. They don't tell have a Red Bull, buy a Red Bull. They don't do that. They fly from a jet. You know, they go for skiing, and they say emotions. Correct? Everybody knows this person.
माय गॉड.
Correct? What happened recently?
नंबर 1 इन्फ्लुएंसर.
What beach? What happened recently? Maldives. Everybody knows Maldives. What happened there?
ऐसे ही चेयर पे बैठा पूरा देश डूब गया हो. ये तो खाली बैठा, कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
He just walked. He didn't talk. Okay, Maldives threw us all out. Correct. All the Indians were thrown out. Correct. They didn't want any Indians to stay there. Correct. Correct. What did he do? He just took a video in Lakshadweep. He just started walking, taking his shawl like this, and he started walking. And he sat on a chair like this. Everybody started coming here to Lakshadweep and started investing in Lakshadweep. Crores of money. Correct? He's called a personal branding. Right? Correct. So what did you understand now? There are a lot of ways you can market yourself. It can be either from your own, personal branding, or the product or the service, correct, or your creative marketing, correct. Any business you run, you just have to use your brains, not sit inside the shop and wait for the clients to come in. You have to do something different, correct. So I really appreciate him, because why? He has not done a lot of social media marketing.
अभी
He
तक
used
राइट नाउ टिल 21 ईयर्स नॉट इवन सिंगल ब्रांड की कोई कंपनी है जो बोल सके कि प्रकाश हमने आपकी ब्रांडिंग मार्केटिंग की. ऐसा कोई नहीं है. मैं खुद ही लोगो क्रिएट करता है, मैं खुद ही देखता अच्छा नहीं है, मैं खुद ही कलर चेंज करता है, मैं खुद ही लाइक इट्स लाइक ओन. अभी वो राइट है रॉन्ग है, एक बंदे ने बोल रहा है कमेंट्स के नीचे तो सर वो गाली दिया, मैं बोला कट करना नहीं आता, तेरे को आता है आके करो. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू कट, हाउ टू ऐड. मेरे जनरली वीडियो में देखा कहीं एडिटिंग नहीं रहता है, पूरा जितना मिनट का है, कभी 36 मिनट का, कभी 3 मिनट का, कभी 1 मिनट का. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू
do it. Guys,
Professionally.
now it is all about raw videos. Okay, nobody is going for, let's say I go to a building and then shoot it in a very commercial way. What will you do? You will skip the ad. But if I take a raw video, like shaking the video or just shooting something randomly like this, people will watch it. That is what is running now in the industry, and that is what he's been doing from a very long time.
यानी इनको मैं आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए बुलाया हूँ, क्या क्या चीज आपको करना है करवाना है वो सब सेकेंडरी है, बट आपको पता होना चाहिए ये चीजें की जा सकती हैं और ये चीजें दुनिया में करते हैं. कॉलगेट चाहे कितना भी फेमस और नंबर 1 ब्रांड है, स्टिल विल दैट्स डूइंग ब्रांडिंग मार्केटिंग. क्यों उनको मार्केटिंग की जरूरत है क्या? सुबह बच्चा उठता है बोलता है कॉलगेट किया जाए, जबकि कॉलगेट किया नहीं बोलते. कॉलगेट इज लाइक वन पेस्ट का नाम है, बट दैट इज स्टिल टूथपेस्ट, बट विल से कॉलगेट like that much market, but still they are doing marketing.
They have
अभी मैं मेरा मार्केटिंग मैं भी कर सकता है, बट मैं करेगा बाल काटेगा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा कट जाएगा. अभी इनको हैंड ओवर कर देंगे, प्लीज टेक केयर. आप अभी अच्छे से करो. हु आर प्रोफेशनल. अभी हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है और हमारे को अभी तक जरूरत पड़ी नहीं थी. स्टिल लाइक हमारा ऐसे ही हाउसफुल है. सो
as he mentioned, Colgate is a known brand, everybody knows it, but still, if he doesn't market and if he doesn't innovate about new things, let's say the same brand you run it for 20 years, it will not run. Correct? 2000 to 2010, which decade was it? IT. Everybody remembers? Everybody started studying engineering. IT, correct? 2010 to 2020, what was it? Real estate. Every decade there is a trend, so you need to market yourself through the trend. Every month there is a trending thing which is happening, correct? That is why branding and digital marketing is more important. Getting it? So make sure you hire a right person for it, or you do it by your own self, but you should know what it is exactly, correct? Because maybe I can tell him, sir, this is how much it will happen. Okay, you have to pay me 1 lakh for a month. You, as a person, he will definitely ask me, because he knows everything. He has gone through everything, so he will ask me, why should I pay you 1 lakh? But if I generally come to you and say, okay, this is how much you will have to be paying me, will you ask me? You will not. You will be like, acha, you're a professional, you will do it, I know. But I will be looting a lot of money there. That is why I'm telling you, as business owners, in future you might be business owners. You should know from the scratch. From scratch, you should know how your business is running, what is happening. I asked him what is happening. Yesterday, he met me. He told me everything from scratch. Because whenever you're meeting a marketer, I need to understand your business from scratch. Otherwise, I just coming looking at this, okay, this is the strategy, it doesn't happen. Okay? Whenever you don't while of your time, just scrolling down, look at each and every ads. Have you seen Bisleri ads? Do you like it? Center Fresh? You remember it? There's a lot of ads which you remember because it hit you somewhere.
माइंड के अंदर दिमाग का बत्ती जला दे, दोबारा मत पूछना. That, huh? How that?
He is marketing himself even now. That is called personal branding. That is really good because it has to be engaging. Correct? Coming here and just showing your PPT and start talking to you, it will not
नहीं,
help
आज
you
तक
out.
मैं कभी पीपीटी नहीं लाया, हमारा कभी स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है. एंड ऑलवेज आई विल स्पीक. यू लव, दे लव. 15-20 मिनट्स आई विल कम, आई विल स्पीक एंड आई विल गो. इनको खुद को नहीं पता सब्जेक्ट कहाँ से शुरू होगा, कहाँ खत्म होगा.
Right.
टॉपिक कभी-कभी मक्खी भी हो जाता है.
Right. Really, thank you. This was a great opportunity. I just wanted to tell you what exactly marketing is. And when you're starting something, please understand it is a way you have to do marketing. You cannot sit in a shop and think about it. So you're learning something, start making your own videos how you're doing. Start marketing like him. He has been doing it from a very long time.
यानी
Correct?
साउथ में मैंने देखा वो नींबू फोड़ के, ऐसा नारियल फोड़ के बिजनेस नहीं होता है. उसका दिमाग खराब है. नींबू नारियल का रेट बढ़ा दिया, खाना चाहिए पीना चाहिए. नारियल कौन फोड़ता है? पागल. रोज नारियल फोड़ता है. 50 रुपए का नारियल फोड़ने से कस्टमर आता है क्या? आई बाई 150 नारियल. डंग डंग डंग. नो, बड़ी वेलकम.
Everybody knows Dolly also, na? The guy who met Bill Gates, the tea guy.
हाँ,
He is a prime example for personal branding.
यानी वो चाय फ्री में दिया तो नहीं पीता है. बिल गेट तो पैसा देके पिया है.
He charges 60-70 rupees just for that tea. And he was offered a big boss ka thing, he didn't go, saying that I cannot leave my business for 45 days and go there. Look at the dedication he has, even if it is a small shop. And there's what's her name, who does that burger? Remember, there's one person now, that lady who looks very cute, very nice. She starts
दिल्ली
crying.
में वड़ा पाव गर्ल.
Vada Pav girl.
आई नो वेरी वेल.
So this is how it works, correct? So just go through, see, whenever you're walking through, just go through everything, look at every banners, every posters. You look, there is something that you learn, correct? I cannot put a big logo here, Prakash sir ka photo, and give you small informations here. There is a place for it, correct? A logo should be placed here, the information should be placed here. So everything has their own standards. I come here and put so much of logo and I blur the picture for you or blur the writings for you. What will you understand? Acha, he doesn't know anything. He's already giving me a fake presentation, correct? That's how it works. So yeah, my time was for 15-20 minutes. I just wanted to give you some gist about marketing, correct? Any doubts? Anything you have? Either you should understand everything, no, you didn't understand anything.
ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग एंड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में क्या क्या चीज की जा सकती है. आज इन्होंने अपना टाइम निकाला कीमती समय से. सो एक अगर करवाएंगे तो आप क्या सजेशन करेंगे? आई अभी होता ना, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द राइट एंड व्हाट इज द रॉन्ग. एज ए यू आर द trainer, mentor, coach, you are the have experience of the more than 8 or 9 years. So how to start? Where I start? Like,
Correct, guys. So what happens here is any
क्या
business
चीज
you
करनी
start-
चाहिए मुझे?
any business you start, as I told you, offline and online. So offline mein, there is a lot of time, effort, and cost is given here. One banner you have to put, you have to hire 2 people, ask them to take it from there to there. They have to go up, put their banner there, set it up. You have to pay them for lunch. You have to pay them for traveling cost. Correct? Your time, effort, and cost is wasted here. But online mein, I sit at my place. Okay, I sit at my place and I do everything online. And how am I reaching? You put a banner here, only people who are traveling here will understand. Only people who are looking at your ad will understand. A lot of people don't even look at your banner. But in digital marketing, we are reaching the right customer. As I told you, you are looking for that, my ad will only come to you. If you're not looking for it, it won't come to you. So my money is in the right place. If I am spending 1,000 rupees, I am getting 10 leads. Because he's searching, only he will get. Otherwise, they won't promote. You go to Google and type for shoes and you get some beach ka pictures. Do you go to Google again? You won't, right? That is why they also give you the exact pictures, exact information. They promote it better than anybody else. Getting it? So what we do is, as digital marketers, we don't take a lot of time. If you ask me, I will only handle a client For like in a month, if I have to sit down, I only sit for 4 days. I only sit for 4 days and I charge them 35,000 to 40,000 just to do digital marketing. In a month, only 4 days for a client. So remember how many clients I will be handling in a month. How much of time I have. Even if I'm taking over his business for digital marketing, I won't come here in front of you and sit and do digital marketing. I can sit anywhere. I can go for my vacation. He won't ask me, why are you there? He will only ask me, is my work is, it is happened or not. Correct? If your class timings is 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, the trainer won't come here and ask, how did you come? From where are you coming? He only thinks about your output. Are you present in the class by 9? I don't care how you come. You come in the car, you come in the bag, I don't care about it. The same thing happens with business. Correct? People only look, is the work done or not? They don't care how you do it. So that is the only advantage as digital marketers we have. Correct? And for opening an account, they won't cost you, right? Facebook doesn't ask money from you. Do they ask money from you?
कितने लोगों का ट्यूटर है अकाउंट? एक बंदे का फ्री है, इट्स फ्री. अभी आप बनाता नहीं है, मैं बनाता है.
That's the difference.
यूट्यूब चैनल कितने लोगों ने बनाया? एक भी नहीं. फ्री है, इसका पैसा नहीं लगता है.
They will pay you, man. They will pay you if you do well.
इट्स फ्री.
It is every platform is free, just that you need to know how to use it and market it. Everything is there. Why? To make your life easier, to reach global audience. With digital marketing, you can reach global audience. Do you know that? Your friend in US can text you through Facebook, right? Then why don't you think your product can or your service can be given there? You can market it, bro. Getting it? So for marketing, any business you start, marketing is very important. Let it be digital marketing or offline marketing. The simplest thing is offline marketing, it will cost you more, your time consuming and efforts are more. In digital marketing, it doesn't give a lot of cost, effort and time. Getting it? There are a lot of free tools. Follow pages in Instagram who are doing business, same kind of business. When you look at their things, you will get ideas. Getting it? So a lot of what we do is we also follow our competitors. Why do I follow my competitor? I need to know what he's doing in the market right now. Based on that, I will do a strategy. Correct? So you need to understand your competitors first, because in future mein, there are your competitors. They might be your friends now, but future mein, they are your competitors. You're getting it? So you should know how they are doing it. And how do you know that? You go and ask him for his business strategy. Will he tell you? He won't. He will put it on online. Correct? So we will have each and every data, how many people have clicked on our ad, how many people have visited our account, how many people have liked our account, shared our account. Correct? With this, don't you think if you have a data, you will make a better plan? Do you think I can make a better plan by giving pamphlets? But with the data I have, let's say my target is only 18 to 25. My age group is 18 to 25 and it is not giving me good data. What will I do next for next ad? People are not searching there. That age group people are not searching. What will I do next? I will target 25 above to 35. Correct? I won't make the same mistake of investing again. Correct? So data is very important. Understood? Right? Any more doubts?
वो पैम्पलेट वाला है ना, जो मोरी पे सुबह 5 बजे आपने बोल तो दिया बंडल, वो हो सकता है नाले में डाल दिया हो. 2 4 5 7 थोड़ा सा डाल देने वो नहीं है. कौन डालना चाहता है? नोबडी इंटरेस्टेड. आपसे पैसा भी लेगा, पूरा पहुंचेगा भी नहीं. और जिसने न्यूज़पेपर से निकाला वो खुद बाहर से ही बाहर डाल दिया. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड दैट. उसको पहले से ही बाहर फेंक दिया.
Because everybody gives, na. You also have a business, 10 pamphlets come in a newspaper. Which one will you see?
और उसने एक बंडल मूंगफली वाले को दे दिया, कड़ले का ही. और वो नेक्स्ट ईयर कड़ले का ही कहा के बोला, भैया ये कुछ ऑफर है. भाई चूंकि लास्ट ईयर दिया मैं ऑफर, अभी देखा है एम्बलेट. वो मूंगफली खाने के टाइम देखा है. सर ऐसा कुछ घर सेल में, भैया लास्ट ईयर हो गया. नथिंग वेस्ट, कुछ नहीं जाता, बट स्टिल.
So online में, see, offline mein it is once you have given the pamphlet, it's gone. But online mein, once you have put it, you have posted, it will be there until you delete it. You're getting it? Newspaper mein you will have it, 1940 ka you can't go to a library and check. But online pe you think you can check, right? You can go to their company profile and see from what is the first date they have done. Correct? So portfolio is important. Today I will sit down and post 10 pictures, it will not work. From 10 days I have posted one picture, that gives more in-depth value, because I've been doing it from 10 days. Not in one day I'm sitting and doing everything. Correct? So what he has done, he has come up from a very long years. He has worked hard from a very, a decade, more than 2 decades, right?
2000.
It's been more than 2 decades. So understand, Nothing, everything won't happen like this, but if you're smart enough, things can happen. Correct? Any more doubts? How you want to start your business?
Gorilla marketing.
See, guerrilla marketing is all about cracking the market.
वो इतना बड़ा बजट का बिजनेस चाहिए गोरिल्ला मार्केटिंग के लिए। अभी वो बालाजी वाले ने किया था, भुजिया वाले ने, पता है, यानी उसने कोई ऐसा कोई ऐड नहीं दिया, उसने पहले एक टीम तैयार की, ईच एंड एवरी शॉप में जाकर बालाजी भुजिया है नहीं है, बालाजी चिप्स है नहीं है, और बालाजी मिक्सचर नहीं है भैया, हमारे को बालाजी चाहिए। अब बालाजी निकला ही नहीं प्रोडक्ट, उसने ऐसा बंदा इधर तैयार किया, 1 महीने तक रोज हर एक दुकान में जाके दिमाग खराब किया, और 1 महीने के बाद उसने मैनेजर भेजा, सर यू वांट बालाजी, भैया चाहिए, किधर था इतना दिन, डालो बालाजी पूछ रहा है। एक झूठ 10 लोग बोले वो सच हो जाता है। ऐसा कोई मार्केटिंग था ही नहीं, वो ऐसा कोई रिक्वायरमेंट था ही नहीं, उसने अपने कंपनी के बंदे ही भेजे, खाली चुम्मा जाके पूछ रहे बालाजी चिप्स है नहीं है, फिर लाओ ना बालाजी चिप्स चाहिए, वी वांट बालाजी चिप्स ओनली।
This happens with
वो बोल रहा मेरे पास अंकल है, अंकल नहीं बालाजी चिप्स चाहिए। वो ऐसा इरिटेट किया है जा जाके एंड फाइनली आफ्टर 1 मंथ मैनेजर जाके पूछा, भैया ऑर्डर लिखो पूरा कार्टून। अभी उधर दुकान में वो बालाजी चिप्स ही है, और कस्टमर आते ये बालाजी चिप्स, भैया यही पूछ रहा, आजकल यही चल रहा है। चल नहीं रहा था, जबरदस्ती चला है।
Yeah.
So which marketing platform is more effective?
So Facebook and Instagram works a lot. What trend
क्योंकि
is
हमारा
now is-
क्राउड वही है ना, डीट उधर ही रहता ज्यादा,
So-
लिंक्डइन पे नहीं रहता।
See, when you want to search for a shop, you go to Google and type it. Correct? You go to Google and you have to type. But when I target you on Instagram and Facebook, you're always on your phone. Even if you don't look for it, somewhere 1 week back you would have looked for it. But now you will get an ad. There you will go and only, if you want to buy only, you will go to Google and do it. But here, even if you're not interested, you were interested last week ago, by showing my ad with some offers, I pull you again. This is retargeting, relocating the, customer. So I will pull you again to my, why do you think people take you to their websites? Amazon, Flipkart, how many products they have, how much of portfolio they have. Do you think all the products photos will be in one poster? They show you one shoe, they pull you to their website and then show you all the shoes, combo offers. Why do they do that? Once I pull you there, instead of you buying one shoe, you will buy 10 shoes. That's the marketing strategy they use. Correct? And as guerrilla marketing, when you ask about that, it is money. First thing is money. Too much of money you requirement.
दुनिया भर का चाहिए।
So guerrilla marketing is making sure you're getting that need for them, making sure they feel that we want that need. You're giving so much of, asking for so much of demand and there's no supply. And suddenly that comes in, people will start feeling relaxed. That's how guerrilla marketing works.
So it is an offline market.
It depends. Now, as I told you, these guys also did offline marketing for, Red Bull. Online marketing mein do you know this? This is one of the guerrilla marketing I will tell you. Ambani, he got his son married. Do you think he chuma wasted 5,000 crores without a strategy? He's not a fool.
जस्टिन बीवर को बुलाया चड्डा पहन के। साला
Why do
क्या
you think he
डांस किया?
spent 5,000 crores? It is not simply to show that lavish life. He will bring GDP from other countries to India now. It is a marketing strategy. It is totally a marketing strategy. Because everybody knows Queen Elizabeth and UK. When they are getting married, you know how much of GDP goes there. Now he's called all the billionaires from there to here. So people will start investing here. It is a strategy. And now he is known all over the world. Everybody knows. Any news you go, they were telling 5,000 crores, the costliest wedding ever. He became famous now and he's known all over the world. It makes him easier to get connected with billionaires. Looking at his capacity. So these rich guys don't do anything for,
चुम्मा।
they don't put their money waste.
वो राधी का प्रोडक्ट था, बेचना कुछ और है उनको।
It is. She is a merchant. She is a businesswoman.
आपका प्रोडक्ट और आपकी ऑडियंस आपको पता होनी चाहिए, मेरी कौन सी ऑडियंस है और मेरा क्या प्रोडक्ट है, मेरा क्या दम है। द लास्ट एंड फाइनल एग्जांपल आई गिव, ये जितना भी अभी एक बिस्किट बना है यूएस कनाडा के अंदर, वो बिस्किट कंपनी ने बनाया वहाँ पे डॉगी के लिए, कुत्तों के लिए। अभी वो इतना टेस्टी बनाया, इतना अच्छा बनाया, उन्होंने खुद मैनेजर ने कहा के देखा बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, बट अभी उसका मार्केटिंग, ब्रांडिंग, डिजाइन, कॉम्बो, सेलिब्रिटी, ट्रेन पे, वोल्वो बस पे, सब जगह कुत्ता के साथ बिस्किट। फर्स्ट मंथ देखा तो करोड़ों का टर्नओवर है, सेकंड मंथ देखा तो लाखों में है, और थर्ड मंथ के अंदर जीरो है। उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा कंपनी को हायर किया, भैया ये देखो हमने बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनाया, बिक नहीं रहा है, तो कंपनी ने रिसर्च किया, चेक किया, अंडरस्टैंड किया, देखा तो वो बिस्किट कुत्ता खुद नहीं खाता है।
Doesn't.
यानी वो बिस्किट किसके लिए है? कुत्ते के लिए। तो कुत्ता खुद खाना चाहिए ना, और खुद टेस्ट किया खा के। तो आपका प्रोडक्ट है, उस मार्केट को अंडरस्टैंड तो करे। आप मार्केटिंग पता नहीं किधर ही दिखा रहे हो, सरदारों के मोहल्ले में नाई की दुकान, बाल कोई नहीं कटाता है, मैं ब्यूटी पार्लर खोला, किधर? पंजाब में। अबे जूते उधर नहीं खोलना था, गलत जगह खोला है।
Right.
अभी मैं सर चेन्नई में जीन्स का, भैया चेन्नई में जीन्स नहीं पहनता, उधर लुंगी पहनता है, हवा आना चाहिए अंदर, उधर कौन जीन्स पहनेगा? रॉन्ग ऑडियंस, गुड बिजनेस। पेट्रोल पंप खोला है, किधर? फर्स्ट फ्लोर। फर्स्ट फ्लोर में कौन आएगा चूतिया गाड़ी लेके? यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड योर मार्केट। मेरे पास 1000 एग्जांपल है, सुनते ही जाएंगे, बट मैच जो हो स्मार्टफोन रिपेयर एंड सर्विस, स्मार्ट टेक्नीशियन, किधर खोला? कैलाक्सी वाला, भैया उधर सब्जी बिकता है। आपका ऑडियंस आपको पता होना चाहिए। मंगलोर अच्छा एरिया।
It's a market research. So basically, what happens in market research is you should understand your economy. Indiranagar, Sadashivanagar, Dollars Colony,
HSR लेआउट,
Kormangla.
BTM लेआउट, ऑल रिच एरिया।
So people here in this market are rich people. So
उसके पास आईफोन है।
that is when you can sell it.
इधर एक सोलारपुर, ये पता नहीं कुछ एक बड़ा बिल्डर है, उसका 2-3 बार बेटी ने आईफोन तोड़ा, रोज लेके आता है, भैया ये फिर तोड़ दिया। मैं बोला भगवान ऐसा बेटी सबको दे। कितना रिच फैमिली है, उसका बीवी जब भी पकड़ता मोबाइल तोड़ता है, कभी आईपैड तोड़ता है। मैं बोला थैंक्स गॉड, एज अ बीबी और एज अ बेटी सबको दे, ऑलवेज रोज कस्टमर। और मिनिमम चार्ज ही नहीं है, सर्विस चार्जेस 30,000, 24,000, 18,000, क्योंकि वो कॉस्टली खरीदता है। आपका ऑडियंस आपको पता है, मेरे एरिया में बहुत भीड़ है, भीड़ नहीं चाहिए। इधर खोला था यलंका के बाजू में, पूरा सर देखो इधर में एप्पल का सर्विस पूरा पीजी 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 पीजी। मैं बोला चूतिया पीजी में कौन रहता है? 6,000 वाला, तो 6,000 वाले के पास आईफोन 14 है क्या? तेरा ऑडियंस ही गलत है, काली भीड़ है, भीड़ नहीं चाहिए। वो ओपनिंग करने के बाद मेरे को बुलाया रिबन कटिंग के लिए, अभी मैं रिबन तो कट कर दिया था तो अभी पहले पूछना चाहिए ना। और धमाल पिक्चर जैसा लाल बटन दबा दिया, नहीं दबाना था, गलत दबा दिया, अभी बोल भी नहीं सकता, भैया गलत जगह खोला है। इतना भीड़ नहीं चाहिए।
So keep in mind 3 things when you're targeting. One is your age group. So we differentiate with 3 things. One is demographics. Demographics is your age, gender, status, occupation. This comes under demographics. Another one is your geographics. Geographics is your location. Okay, the economy. Which pin code has more economy, household income, correct? The third thing is psychographics. What is psychographics? Your behavior and interest. If you do these 3 things for any business, you will understand your customers. One is your demographics, which means age, gender, status, and occupation. Second thing is your geographics, the location where you want to target, and the next thing is your psychographics. Are the people interested there? Getting it? These 3 things you follow, and there is something called as marketing. 7 P's in marketing: product, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence. The other one I also forgot. No. The other one I will just explain instead. So product is anything that you are doing your product. You should understand which audience you are targeting. That is your people. Correct? Based on the pricing also you will target your people, right? I won't sell, as he said, I won't sell iPhone 13 to a labor. I will only sell it to a business owner or business owner ka family. Correct? So place is done. You also look for the place. Correct? Process in the sense from the raw material until you reach the customer. How do you reach? There is a process, correct? When you guys contact him, how does he take the call? He takes a call, he talks, and he gets a demo session, correct? There is a process when you are coming here, correct? So any product also you buy, iPhone also has to get manufactured, raw materials have to come, then they have to reach you through what? Stores. After that, their services. So this is called as a process. What is physical evidence? I look at Prakash Cellular Services on Instagram, but I cannot come and experience it real. Correct? So anything you have, it should be physical. I can feel, touch, see. Correct? That is called as physical evidence. Promotions, I missed the one is promotions. You have to do promotions. So there are 7 P's in marketing, which gives you all the list when you have to do for any business. Correct? 4 things to keep in mind. One is demographics, geographics, psychographics, and your 7 P's of marketing. With 7 P's, you also get SWOT analysis. Everybody knows SWOT analysis. S stands for strength, W stands for weakness, opportunities, and threats. So if you want to analyze his business and you want to become a competitor, do all of these things, you can crack the market. You look at his strength. What is his strength? Marketing, offline marketing, personal branding. You have an idea to crack that, you can do that. Correct? What is his weakness? Think about it. What might be his weakness? Maybe somewhere he might miss his service. Somewhere he can miss his service. That can be his weakness. Look at that weakness. You have to take it as an opportunity. And what are the threats for his business? Now you guys only start a center. Look, same process you follow. If you have money, if you have like 10 crores or something, start off. Next to his shop only, you start off with good interiors, more better usage. You have money, that's an opportunity, but he will also feel it as a threat somewhere. Because of his personal branding, he wouldn't. The same way you should promote yourself. Correct? So these things you keep in mind. SWOT analysis means strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats of a company. So basically a company ka you analyze. Getting it? You get all the information through social media or internet. Getting it? Simple as that. So few things I just highlighted, keep in mind so that you can crack the market. Any business you want to start, anything, any service. So product and service is different, guys. This is a product. What is a service? He gives you product or service.
Service.
So there are two different things. Service has a separate marketing strategy, product has a separate service is made. This is service, correct? So you have to capture this service when I am talking to you. Video. I cannot say I gave service for the students. Digital marketing training session I gave. No, nobody believes, correct? But when I'm giving a product, I can give you the product. I don't have to be present. So service industry is very difficult to handle. You getting it? So make sure you capture everything. Make sure you have a memory of everything and start your business. Getting it? Right. Anything else?
So as a startup, I need to do advertisement on Instagram and Facebook.
Facebook. They both are of the same company.
Same company.
That is Meta Business. Okay, you pay for Meta Business, they promote in both. You getting it? WhatsApp also is now connected with them.
Yes. Correct.
Right? So offline marketing is a little costlier, as I said, time consuming and effort consuming. But digital marketing is easy. But you need to just crack an idea. Everybody knows ChatGPT.
Yes.
Everybody knows ChatGPT.
Yes.
Anything you ask, you get. So start digging into it every day. Tell them, Prakash sir has a company in Indiranagar. Give him information about his business and ask it. Give me some, marketing strategies where I can crack him. It might help you, but you need to execute. That is different. So execution part, he is doing very well. Execution is what is more important. That is where a lot of people, fail. Making ideas can be done. Executing is very different. There was no need of him calling me here and giving you a lecture. But why did he do that? This is additional service he's giving to you guys. Add on. You're getting it? It's an add on. Only teaching you doesn't help you, na? Until unless you start a business, correct? So just teaching you and going, nobody again, people won't come here. Because the feedbacks will be bad now. He's only teaching me. How am I able to start? Nothing. I'm not able to start. But when he's giving add ons like this, you will feel something more. He's giving more than what he can. So I should be more happy for that. So the money you're paying, you're happy for this. Correct? Right. Done, guys? Any doubts? Anything you want?
यानी ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ऑफलाइन यानी कुछ आपको आइडिया मिला रहेगा आपके पास भी कुछ है अगर कोई क्वेश्चन
Are you conducting classes for students?
Yeah. We do have an institute in near Manyata Tech Park. So we run digital marketing courses for students. So we charge, basic job active courses also, where you learn the digital marketing in 3 months and then start off with your freelancing. As I told you, for one customer, I only work for 4 days in a month. So just imagine how much of money I can make. Website is all one time building it. And I don't need coding language. Everything is AI tools. I ask for it, it gives me. Correct? So everything is in the market. You just have to pick the best ones and put it there. Place it. I can earn money. You getting it? So digital marketing, you can earn easy money. But if you know it.
So how do we contact you? Suppose if
Uh,
anyone is interested
right. Prakash sir, you can
I'll
reach
give the
Prakash sir,
information.
and he can give you
Don't
the
worry.
details. Correct. And we only conduct 1 hour in a day, 1 hour session. So we also help you in starting your own freelancing companies. Correct. So freelancing may you students can everybody knows Canva. Canva application for doing posters. You know how much we earn from that? Just for one poster, I charge 600 rupees. But as he said, I know which audience to target. I will not come and sell it to you guys. I will sell it to him. He will buy. Why? He has a capacity. You're getting it? Right audience. You can use that Canva app. I'm not doing anything there. I'm just taking a template and giving it to him. But does he know what I am doing? How much time I'm taking? As I told you, the business owner only looks for, or your boss only looks for output. He doesn't care how much time you took, how much of hard work you put, how you traveled. Nothing. Correct? So you can for any digital marketing courses that you want some, you can ask Prakash sir. He will give you my contact. Right? Right. And thank you for this opportunity, sir.
Thank you
Means a lot.
so much.
Right?
Thank you.
So we will.
Mr. Anis Ramanji,
Right.
giving such a beautiful information.
I hope it added value, guys.